FragWatch here, Atlantis Mini. Yeah, FragWatch here. Today we're going to be unboxing the Atlantis Mini in pink. This is by Lamzu. I'm pretty excited about this one, to be honest. There we go. Boom. Ooh, pretty box. Ah, yes. Yes, yes, yes. What do we got? Oh. I'm beating stuff around on my desk. Which pink do you guys think will be more pretty? This Sora V2 or this one? Okay, we got these glass. Fuck, no, those are PTFE. We got a ring skate that I'm gonna have to put on. Please put the ring skates on yourselves. Looks like we got grip tape, skates, nice velvety bag with cord. Very fucking stiff cord. I like the bag though, it's a cool bag. Overall, pretty good unboxing experience. Okay. Sora. This is a much lighter pink. That's it. Super fast. Pack it back up. This review is going to be out in a month. I got stuff. I got other irons in the fire that I got to finish up. Little song. Oh, that was a little pink mouse for you. Maybe. Hope it doesn't make you blue. FragWatch out right now.